2020 Land Rover Defender Spy Shots. 2020 Land Rover Defender is staying boxy. New cars buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Land Rover brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Land Rover Defender Spy Shots. 2020 Land Rover Defender is staying boxy. New cars buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Land Rover Defender Spy Shots. 2020 Land Rover Defender is staying boxy. New cars buy. Land Rover will supposedly create a pickup variation of the 2020 Land Rover Defender, offering the company a rival to deluxe vehicles like the Mercedes X-Class. It won't be the first pickup to put on the Land Rover badge, as the business has marketed cargo-friendly versions of its series and Defender items because 1954. Nevertheless, unlike those later Defender pick-ups, the 2020 model will likely just be readily available in a solitary taxicab configuration with 2 doors, restricting seating to 2 or 3 travelers. Autocar mentions easier adaptability as the factor behind limiting the Defender pickup to 1 taxicab version. A solitary taxicab would certainly fit more easily on the Defender's brand new platform than a double taxi. Exterior. Creating a renowned legend into something new is bound to create some large obstacles. Ideally, Land Rover appears to have actually damaged brand new ground, judging from the spy shots of a test burrow. Nevertheless, what is clear is that the new Land Rover will not be having a retro layout, although it will certainly have an exterior that looks like the timeless box shape of the very first Land Rover Defenders. The classic Land Rover was revealed in 1948, and had a mechanically and utilitarian bulletproof style. The Defender rose to wonderful prestige for being among the most capable off-road cars of all time. The brand new design, whose launch will certainly accompany the Land Rover's 70th anniversary, is expected to restore its previous glory, as well as offer Land Rover a new lifeline. While we haven't seen the actual body yet, that they have an examination burrow shows they go to an advanced stage of executing their design. In the test mule, they make use of the customized body of an existing design to test the technicians of the new design. From the spy images, the 2020 Land Rover Defender design was being examined in the changed body of a Range Rover Sport. We were able to see that the new Defender will certainly have a brief body as compared to the Range Rover Sport. Additionally, the examination mule was being utilized to check a protector with a short wheelbase. Nonetheless, there will certainly be one with a long wheelbase, and it has currently been planned for. Various other plans include having design with a 3-door style, a 5-door layout, along with a pickup style. Interior. When it involves the interior, we have actually not dealt with to learn a whole lot much more. Business continues to be to keep in secret, to ensure that leaves the only supposition. In spite of lots of records, it is very not likely that this rough terrain SUV layout will certainly undertake a modification resulting in open-up interiors. It is rather possible that the result is completely various. It is feasible that company developers modifications entire furnishings. This would certainly have made this model less modern as well as much more ageless automobiles. Engine. The 4-cylinder Ingenium benefits 300 PS, and with the help of the 85 kW electric motor, you're taking a look at a system output of 404 PS, 398 horsepower, and 640 Nm, 472 pound-feet, of torque. In all likelihood, the 13.1 kWh lithium-ion battery will certainly provide more than 31 miles, 51 kilometers, of all-electric range, which is just about sufficient for the fuel efficiency-minded public. 2020 Land Rover Defender release date and price. Although it is not yet verified, the all-new 2020 Land Rover Defender need to arrive at some time during following year. Mentioning the price, the basic version will certainly feature the $150,000 price tag. Thanks.